Hi there, Chris here. Welcome to another edition of Stock Lock Sunday. I have this Corbin cabinet lock that I'm going to try and open a whole bunch of different ways. It's a little wafer lock. There's the key and the bitting. And you can see in there they got wafers. And it's new, opens right up. It doesn't have any marks on it other than CCL, Corbin cabinet lock. So let's see. Find a tension wrench. Don't hit the camera. It has that wafer slop, I like to call it. Not sure that's the right tension wrench. Maybe this way. Anyway, we'll see. So I'm going to try this Sparrow's worm on it. And that doesn't seem to be working. Let's try it again. Sort of slide it in. Okay, so the Sparrow's worm worked on it. Let's try just a Sparrow's short hook, single pin picking. Guess that's it. This is a Mad Bob tensioner. It's a 0.8 millimeter. So we'll try single pin picking it. And we got it open. Okay, let's try the snowman. When I've done these before, people have commented, try the snowman. Okay, we'll try the snowman. And I'm just rocking it and then sliding it. Maybe I'm not a good snowman captain. I don't usually get the wafer locks open with the snowman. Wait, who's in the back? Wait a minute. Nope. Snowman's getting close, but he's missing something. So I'm going to say, oh, there we go. Snowman took a little bit longer. Lock it back up. Get rid of the snowman. How about a double peak, like a Bogota double peak Sparrows? Pardon me. A little rocking. I guess I like rocking better than raking, maybe. I'll try both. There's a little rake. There's a rock. There's one thing somewhere in there. Let's try it the other way. This is more single pin picking because I'm just using that little hook part on the end of it. I'll turn it back over again, reset. No. Too much work. All right, let's try something else. Did we try single pin picking? Let's try it with Let's try this deep hook. See if I can get that working. There we go. We got it with the deep hook. Let's try a chicken bone. I don't have a chicken bone. Too bad. What else do we have? Hey, let's try something different. This is a Mad Bob's snake rake. It's bigger than like a sparrow's snake rake. There's the sparrow snake rake. We'll try it. This is from the Paragon kit, I believe. All right. Big snake rake. Oh, my goodness, that was like quicker than the key. Let's try the little snake rake. So far, not as fast as the big snake rake. There we go. All right, well, I've defeated this about a million ways. Oh, let's see if it'll shim. Do I have a shim here? That's the wrong size. There's a little shim. Forgot which side the cutout's on. It's on that side. And there only seems to be one, so let's try this. Bingo, bango, bongo. Nope. Maybe I didn't quite get it. Depress the shackle a little bit. Nope. Oh, there we go. Okay, well, I've humiliated this little lock enough. Anyway, thanks for watching. I love comments. Leave a comment. Hit the like, hit the don't like. Thank you to all my new subscribers. And like I say, another Stock Lock Sunday with this little cabinet, this Corbin cabinet lock. We will see you next time.